All right, we're going to take a look at divisibility rules. Now, this sheet is really yours to use as a reference. So, we all know if a number is automatically divisible by 2 if it's even. For a number 3, I know a number is divisible by 3 if the sum of all of my digits is divisible by 3. So if we look at the number 258, when I add up 2 plus 5 plus 8, 2 plus 5 plus 8, those are my digits. The sum of those digits is 15. 15 is divisible by 3, so I know that 258 is divisible by 3. Now, why are divisibility rules awesome? Because if I don't know this little trick, then I actually have to do 258 divided by 3, and I don't want to take the time to do that. So remembering my divisibility rules will save me a lot of time. A number is divisible by 4 if my last two numbers are divisible by 4. So for example, in 184, 84 is divisible by 4, so I know that 184 is divisible by 4. So I only have to look at the last two digits of the number. 5 and 10 we should be good with. You can review those on your own. 6 is a good one. If the number is divisible by both 2 and 3, then it's also divisible by 6. So let's take a look at 744. 7 plus 4 plus 4, when I add those digits together, gives me 15. So I know that it's divisible by 3. So that's good for that one. And then it ends in an even number, so it's divisible by 2. 9 is the same idea as 3. If the sum of my digits is divisible by 9, then the whole number is divisible by 9. So let's do some of these together. And again, here's our keys to success. So let's take a look at these. We'll do these together real fast. So, and we're actually going to do 2, 3, we're going to add in 4, 6, and 9. So it's an even number, so it's going to be divisible by 2 because it's even. So we should be divisible by 2. How about 3? When I add up my digits, 1 plus 5 is 6, so it should be divisible by 3. 4 is 50 divisible by 4. So we'd have to check real fast, is 50 divisible by 4? And that's going to be no, so 4 is out. 5, we know it's going to be because it ends in a 0. It's divisible by both 2 and 3, so we automatically get to put in 6. We know it's divisible by 10, again, because it ends in a 0. And 6 is not divisible by 9, so those are going to be my answers. So I just go through the long list of numbers. All right, now we've got 1021. So it's not divisible by 2 because it's an odd number. 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 1 is 4, so it's not divisible by 3. 21 is not divisible by 4. We're not divisible by 2 or 3, so 6 is out. And I can't add anything up, so we're going to say none. So what kind of a number is 1021? 1021 should be a prime number. All right, and let's look at this one, 2112. So it's going to be divisible by 2 because it's an even number. When I add up my digits, I get 6. 3 is divisible by 6. That means 6 is automatically going to be in my list. Let's see what else. How about 4? 12 is divisible by 4. So I should have 4, because 12 is divisible by 4, and we automatically have 6 because 2 and 3 are there. 5 and 10 don't work, and 6 is less than 9. So that's going to be my answer there. Okay, now you're going to hit pause on your video, and you're going to try to do this by yourself. I'll be back in just a second. All right, so the important information in this is that our band has 126 members. I want to know if each row can have 9 musicians. So I follow the rule for 9, which is, are my digits the sum of my digits divisible by 9? Well, it happens to be that this adds up to 9, so it's divisible by 9. So yes. So yes, everyone fits. Okay, so these are our divisibility rules, and that's all for now.